Alright, Lou, I'm sorry I have to do this to you, but... Draw 4.
Come on. Damn, Lou, come on! Have some common decency, will ya?
Have you ever heard of not farting?
Jesus Christ, man, come on! You have children in this house!
Guys, seriously? Take it easy. I didn't even fart. That was the couch.
That's not possible because couches can't fart! That had to be you!
No, look, watch. You know, hold on, I have to head it at the right angle, just like last time. God, it's starting to smell like rotten cantaloupe in here. Ugh.
What? No, it doesn't! There is no smell because there is no fart! It was the couch!
Just admit it was you.
It wasn't me! I didn't fart! Look, you know what? Look.
Watch.
Yo, chill out, dude. That's how fires start.
You have to know it wasn't me.
What is with all the commotion in here?
Your husband farted, and now he's trying to lie to everybody and say that the couch farted.
Couches can't fart.
That's exactly what I tried telling him, but he won't listen.
I think we should get a divorce.
What?
If you would lie about a fart, I don't even know what else you would lie about. What is going on? I didn't fart, everybody. I didn't fart.